Reggae Girlz head coach Hubert Busby has credited his team for a good overall performance following their 3-2 win over South Africa in the second friendly international at the Montego-based Sports Complex on Monday. Here once again is Jeremy Brown.
It was clear the South African women had done their homework after their 3-0 defeat in the first friendly, as it was the Jamaicans who were under early pressure in the second match. It paid off for the South Africans when they opened the scoring in the 19th minute through Linda Motalo. And it would remain that way at the halftime break. But upon the resumption, the Jamaicans came out more purposeful and were almost immediately rewarded. Vian Sampson found the equalizer in the 56th minute. 8 minutes later, the Reggae Girlz were in front when Drew Spence sent them ahead in the 64th after some bustling work from Khadija Bonishaw. And with the tables fully turned in the second half, with the Jamaicans applying pressure, Kayla McKenna effectively closed out the win in the 76th. Some sloppy work from goalkeeper Leah Brooks, playing in only her second match for Jamaica at the senior level, saw the Banyana get a second goal in the 89th. The result meant the Jamaicans swept the two-match friendly series. They had won the first game 3-0 at the same venue. Head coach Hubert Busby assessed their performance afterwards.
Well, we recognized, in terms of how they were looking to build, that I actually added another player in the midfield, so we recognize that. It's tough to make those adjustments mid-game, so we just spoke about it at halftime, showed them what we wanted to do in terms of pressing a little bit higher. And again, they responded really well. And again, that then leads our pressure and our aggressiveness. It leads to how we play. It's part of our playing model. And just those 2 or 3 adjustments and then the impetus on those players to carry out those instructions is really credit to them. And that's why we're able to turn around the game in the second half.
But it was not all smooth for the Jamaicans, as their defensive frailties were also exposed by the South Africans in the second match.
It's all about the whole team, and that shows a good defensive performance. Overall, I still think we played well, and our goalkeeper played well, but it's about moments, and we have to be able to manage some of those moments, and if we don't against quality opposition at this level, they'll punish you. So I think we were able to adjust that. It's not necessarily what we wanted. Clean sheets mean that we're defending as a unit, not just our defenders, but our forward line starts in terms of our press and what we want to do.
As for Brooks, the 21-year-old has already moved on from the era which resulted in the South Africans' second goal.
Moving forward, it's just about getting comfortable and learning my teammates individually. And they learn me, and then next thing you know, I don't know.
Meanwhile, the Reggae Girlz will be back in action in February in another friendly international as they continue their build-up to the World Cup qualifiers.